Did you know in Adobe Fresco you can control how fast an object moves along a path by how fast or slow you draw that path? In this week's Fresco Tip Friday, I'm going to show you how to do it. I think this is like the 4th Fresco Tip Friday now, so if you are using Adobe Fresco and you want some tips every Friday, make sure that you are subscribed. I'll meet you at the iPad. Okay, so I got this little bee friend that I did a little animated sequence for, so he's just flapping and buzzing in place. I'm going to show you how to use the path tool to make him fly around. Now you may be thinking, hey, didn't we already talk about the path tool? Well, yeah, I showed you how to use the path tool to add a whole bunch of things flying around, but this time I'm going to show you how to control speed in a few different ways. So let's set this little guy on a loop. So I'm going to just draw a little round path. He's flying around this path. What I can do now is hit align to path, and now he will fly around a little bit more bee-like. We can tap ease in and ease out, and this will make him start out slow and then go real fast. Adobe Fresco lets you control speed based on how fast you draw the path. So let me show you how this works. So let's align to path, and let's change this to original speed. Let's add some more frames because that's a little bonkers. You'll see he goes up nice and slow and then real fast down. Fresco's motion features are bonkers for a drawing app. What else do you want to know about Adobe Fresco? There's a lot of Fridays coming up and I need some more Fresco tips. So let me know in the comments anything you want to know about Fresco and maybe I'll do a video about it. Okay, good talk.